We bought $1,000 trucks.
On the marble floor.
And somehow they all made it across the state.
Footsteps.
And now, we're in the mountains.
We're about to push these trucks way past what they were built for.
Not all of these trucks are going to be making it back home.
At least in one piece.
Welcome to Outlaw Autos.
My name's Austin. I want to be the captain of the land yacht crew along with my co-pilot Tommy. This is our 1997 Chevy 1500. The biggest worry with it is it's got a little rust hole in the frame right there. The frame's bent from previously being hit. I put a front end on it. It's got a little bit of a miss, so we're hoping that just kind of goes away. Otherwise, I think it should do good this weekend. I got about $1,000 into it, depending on how you want to do the math, but we'll see how it goes for the weekend.
Hey, I'm Logan.
And I'm Braden.
Our team name is Buckshot. Right here is a 99 K1500. It got 255,000 miles on her. I got $750 into the truck itself. Spent another couple $100 into the rear end. And yeah, my only concern here is if the motor goes.
My name is Wyatt. My team name is Bravo. Bravo consists of me, Wyatt, Marcus, and Adam. This is our 2005 Chevy Suburban we chose for the project. It is a peach. It's got 300,000 miles on it. My biggest concern with it is the problems that come with 300,000 miles. I have about $1,000 into it, just shy of.
I'm Jace. I guess we're the Alpha team. The 2004 Chevy S10. It's pretty sick, but just needs a little buffing. I guess we're about $900 invested. I guess the only thing we're really concerned about is probably eating the dash.
So my teammate, I'm Matthew, and my teammate is John. This is our cream of the crop Sonoma 1995 GMC Sonoma. And our biggest worry is the fuel because it leaks when we fill it up all the way. And our team name is Sonoma, I guess. Sonominators. And our price was $700.
How's Logan's first impressions?
Blower motor doesn't like me.
Don't have a heater?
The AC.
Oh, don't need AC, it's cold out.
It's like when he's a rocket.
Whoa.
We're good.
He brought it.
How's Wyatt's first impressions? I feel great. Run good?
It does. It's comfy.
All right, how's the big guy's first impressions?
Bouncy. Very, very bouncy.
A little bit?
Probably should put shock.
All right, I'll try the front. Oh, fuck. Oh, where's Tommy?
I'm coming.
All right, Tommy, how's your first impressions?
I'm pretty excited. I have
I shit myself.
Oh, I can't swear.
You can swear.
Yeah, fuck him.
Oh, well, cut that part out. Not the part that said I can't swear.
How's your first impressions with the truck?
I'm pretty excited. I think that thing's gonna have no problems making any terrain.
Just the running part.
Yeah, no, that's maybe a minor issue, you know, but that's a problem only for when it becomes one.
I think everyone else will end up with us at the end.
Yeah.
Sheriff over there kind of
We
scared.
got plenty of room. He's gonna follow us back.
Maybe we should stop talking about the guns.
Got two trusty Silverados, paint flaked off like sunburned skin. Two S10s full of old boys grinning, think they'll fit, just squeeze on in. One Suburban packed with trouble, teenage circus in the back row. Somebody's vaping out the window, grandpa's yelling, drive slow. We're just driving rusty rigs across the state, praying every rattle ain't a big mistake. Duct tape dreams, coffee in a phone cup.
Alright, let's see what everybody got in for gas. 10 gallons, $40. Logan's done. What'd you get? $41, 11 gallons. Ooh, Wyatt's got 34, 9.2 gallons. John's, we can't tell because his gas tank leaks, so he ain't filling it. Oh, there we go. Stop. We got $54, 14 gallons.
As miles fall off the map, seatbelt stuck and tailgate held by a strap. If we make it home alive, that's a win tonight. Driving rusty rigs, just trying to survive. Old guys arguing directions, one more exit, that was it. Turn signal blinking like it's tired, radio stuck on greatest hits. Teens are filming every pothole, posting road trips in hell please. Grandma's Tupperware is flying, someone's sitting on the cheese. We're just driving rusty rigs across the state, praying every rattle ain't a big mistake.
Well, we made it last night. We're gonna get a cold start this morning.
This is gonna be beautiful.
And we'll do a little bit of a
Listen to
damage
this.
checkup. Oh, like nothing.
That's
See,
gorgeous.
she's fucking.
That's what I say, baby.
Good to go. The drive out here still ran like shit. We can do a little bit of a damage report. We had an incident where we got rear-ended on the way out here.
It was tragic. We swapped insurances,
Yeah. It
but they're not gonna pay.
Logan hit Wyatt, Wyatt hit us. All this stuff up here. This dent here. This was nice. Otherwise, yeah, I don't think we had any other issues on the way out.
We did catch an egg on the way out
Oh,
here.
yep.
That's still remainder on the side of our door.
It's half cooked.
Yeah, we're saving it for later.
I think today we should go good. We're still running like shit. As long as we keep running like shit and just don't stop running, we'll be good.
Yeah, that's the key, to just keep on running, baby.
Let's go see how everybody else's trucks are holding up.
Yeah.
Good morning from us. We're gonna start off with a cold start, and then we'll go over some things that happened yesterday. Pretty considerable. Trip went pretty good yesterday. We ran into some transmission problems, but turns out when there's fluid in there, it helps a lot.
We got hit in winter.
We did get hit in winter yesterday. Left us some damage. We were in the middle. We were the ones that rear-ended Austin. We got rear-ended. Left us, not much for damage. Just buckled at the bumper a little bit in the back, Not too bad considering it wasn't good to start with. and then if you come around to the front, I'll be able to show you where the real damage is. We broke our prize bug deflector, but we did fix it. It is good. Some spray paint really helped that. This helped our overheating issue. Our bumper got buckled in the middle and then pushed back, so it tilted down. But overall, I think we made it out here a lot more complete than we expected, so can't complain. Our expectations for today are pretty high. I think that we'll do good. I feel like, you know, other than a couple collisions here and there, we might do all right.
Hey, this is Logan. Here's some of the things I did to the truck on the way out here. I dented my front bumper. I got my back bumper also. Someone wanted to play a little bumper tag, so I played it right back. And then, otherwise, the drive was pretty nice, smooth. Everything rode okay, did okay. And it actually kind of surprised me a little bit. And here's what would be a cold start of it. She likes being a little slow on her takeoffs. Otherwise, the motor doesn't sound any different than when we took off, which is a good thing.
Today gonna go good?
Today, I think it should go pretty good, pretty smooth. I trust it to do a good job. Okay, on to the next.
Yeah, this is the new and improved team. Anyhow, we're no longer Team Alpha because we suck, and now we're just Team None Fucks because we're old fucks with no fucks. Truck made the trip. It was a seasick ride. It was pretty bad. Probably should have drove it 2 miles before we drove it. 9.5 hours. Got sick, bouncing, wobbling, everything possible. Truck runs great. I mean, just like new. All fresh off the showroom floor. If it was laying outside.
Just a couple scratches. So.
I don't know, my expectations of the day are to
Survive.
Well, hopefully survive. I mean, my expectations are we're going to have to pull somebody home. But hopefully it ain't us.
It could be us.
The trip went well and all. Nothing too bad happened.
Rev it up, buddy. Go ahead, you rev it up.
My expectations are just to keep it on all fours. That's it.
Keep it moving, Rusty Rig Road Trip. Punch the hill, watch it prove it. The Land Yacht Crew, the Land Yacht Crew. We get wrecked and roll on through. The Land Yacht Crew in a '97 Silverado. Two studs driving it hard through the stone. Team Buckshot in a '99 Silverado. Two young boys catch air like they on the road. Hey, old fucks with no fucks in a Proto S10 just squeezing in and grinning all day. Team Bravo in a '05 Suburban full of testosterone coming this way. The Cenominators in a rusty Sonoma just trying not to rust apart. Little smoke, little sway, little hope in the frame, but that thing's got a stubborn Rusty rig road trip. Keep it mean, keep it moving. Rusty rig road trip. Cross the hill, watch it prove it. The Lanyard crew. Team Buckshot 2. Team Bravo. Sonoma Natives. We came to tear the mountain through. Got a buckled hood, got a bent front tooth, payless for this truck, then you hike.
You better kick her in the four-wheel drive, buddy.
Climbs that hill if I kick it twice. Throwing in low, hear that rattle sing. No legs, but it still got wings. Cheap truck, mountain brew. Cheap truck, mud on the hood, grin on my face. We climb that hill at a comic tailgate chatters like a shotgun.
Oh no!
My heart, cracked windshield, got a stop.
Should we get a chain?
Still chasing goats and
All right, here we be. Like nothing. Holy hell, Mother Mary, Jesus Christ. I hope to God this door doesn't pop open. I feel like this is a different path than what we've taken before.
Barely survived our drive.
Barely survived, but we made it.
Still running like crap. Rougher than shit.
Oh, it's locked onto the we need to lock it onto something else.
Got Logan coming in second.
Yep, Logan coming in here. How was the drive?
Bumpy.
It was bumpy, all right.
Other than that, pretty good.
Good, 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 good. How was you guys' ride?
It was pretty
Hurt
rough.
like
We
hell.
lost power for a little bit. We had to put it more low.
How was your ride?
Oh, that was terrific.
Jace? How was your ride? Wow. Hell yeah.
Tailgate down, full tanks of look. Map got bent in the glove box door. We found a dirt road, then we found some more. Put on the tie, sun on our backs, laughing at dents in the old paint stacks. Hey! Fork where the fence line broke. Follow that creek through the sea and smoke. They said go on and see what's there, so we rolled on in like we own that air. Out in the woods, out where we roam, making old dirt feel like home. Out in the woods, bouncing through trails, wide awake. Everyone
Give her hell, baby!
Here our boots say, don't look back. You wrote your name on a limestone wall.
Uh-oh. Better clicker in the four-wheel drive.
We were free, just boys and a map and a memory. It's hard and long. Smell pine and I hear that song. One truck cough, one truck roll.
How do you feel about your first breakdown?
I'm a little bit confused on why it happened. I told Wyatt that I smell antifreeze and he didn't believe me.
He didn't believe you, huh?
Yeah.
What about you,
Stopped
Mark?
and
Very confident we can get it fixed, and we'll be good the whole time. This one will make it home.
oh yeah, well she's going home 100%.
Oh yeah, oh
Slight
yeah.
issue, we'll get it fixed.
That's what I like to hear,
They'll
boys.
get it fixed.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm busy right
The
now.
real mechanics.
Yeah, yeah. I'm only YouTube certified.
Yeah. Wyatt, how do you feel about the roadside repair?
Not mad about it.
Not mad about it?
This is probably the best case scenario for stuff to happen on this thing.
Oh yeah, no.
Besides the half shaft.
Especially being able to patch it up on the fucking side here.
There are a
Yeah.
lot of things that you can't patch inside the road. And
Like the
this
radiator
is-
itself.
Yeah.
Yep.
It would have taken a lot of piss to fill that radiator all the time.
We would have been here drinking a lot of beer for a
And
while.
yeah, and we only have 3 old guys, so that's only peeing once every half hour for 3.
John will have us all covered though.
Yeah.
Gotta stop like every 30 seconds.
I'll just start rear-ending you.
What?
What do we gotta stop like every 30 seconds for?
Nothing?
So I can pee? Yeah. I'm drinking beer.
Oh.
There's the problem.
Is there a problem?
Our team leader wasn't believing in me that we were smelling coolant in there.
Really? He just kept on trucking along. Huh?
Yeah, we were driving for a good fucking 2 minutes until he's like, oh yeah, we should probably stop. And then puff white smoke out of underneath the hood everywhere.
A tragedy had happened.
Yeah.
A real tragedy. And now
Real
we're here.
tragedy was that he didn't believe me.
Yeah, that's tragic.
Yeah.
What makes a good leader? Listening to the people underneath of him.
Although I may only be YouTube certified as something.
Yeah, that's true. YouTube, you can learn anything from YouTube
Exactly.
now. That's what I'm saying.
He's just not believing in me. I don't know what this guy's doing. All right, we got her back on the road
I
now.
don't know if we should do this tomorrow.
She's running. I don't know how, but we got her back.
Got
Wyatt?
it back, baby. Cooling temps look good.
Road temps look good, just under 210, which is better than we've been this whole time. That's
Pretty good, I'd say.
Yeah.
All right, Adam.
Yep.
Best of luck to you boys.
Getting back on the road.
Yeah, back on the
Hope we don't
road.
blow something else up.
Yeah, that's the goal. Always.
Still making funny sounds, but that's okay. We
Those
don't
are-
worry about that.
It's when the funny sounds start making funny shit happen. That's when you got to start worrying.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, best of luck, boys.
Yeah.
Alright, we got repairs going on. Now we're going to check out Bear Trap.
Oh, I'm not even recording right now.
Trying to shine the light around for you.
Holy cow.
Swear to God, if there's a bear down here.
There's a bear. It's right after winter. They might be hibernating. Oh, that's wet.
Yeah, it's a little,
There we go, I got you.
ladder's a little wet and kind of icy.
I'll get out to the side. Alright. Okay, just go down the ladder. Alright, well, we made it down in. The rest of them are finishing. Don't fall. I got myself propped up here in case you do.
Fall onto you so we can both go in the hole.
You go through a big hole that just drops. You gotta stay narrow and come down. Alright. Rest are making it down. Then we're gonna go down to the further deeper spot, right, Tommy?
Oh yeah, I'm excited for the deeper spot. Everyone loves to go a little deeper.
Yeah,
Sometimes I'm restricted. That's what she said. That's what he said.
What?
Go down.
Also, I think that would be what she says. She says, can you go a little
Alright,
deeper?
see, they're going down.
I wish I could go a little
That hole
deeper.
there comes back out
Worst coming in
there,
here, though?
and that goes into the room that we'll be showing you next. Tommy's scared of the dark.
I'm very scared of the dark.
So am I a little bit.
My uncle touched me. There's something touching me right now.
It's probably a spider. It's okay. Sorry.
All right, we turn the lights on. Oh, Logan, where's your big boy light? Damn. Tommy, you okay? Yeah. Is he in a hole?
I'm at the top of this cave.
Oh my God. Did you see him find Tommy? Shit. I ain't got a flash yet. Oh my God. Ah!
Yo, how the fuck? There's a hole over here, but I don't think I'll fit.
Oh, it's
Gonna come down with you right into that.
Yeah, come on. I don't think you'll put up that hole. I was just looking for some shots. I told myself I'd never come on a game like this.
They're super.
It's pretty fucking cool, ain't it though?
I said I want to go to the fucking mine, but it's so far away.
The what one?
Yeah.
Oh, where you crawl in the fucking really tight?
Yeah, well, yeah, the fucking one with like a 15-mile-an-hour wind in it.
Yeah. The wind just coming out of the hole in the ground.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
That is.
It's cool.
Any markings in the walls?
Did you see the erosion up here?
That's cool. I wonder how it's all round.
Wind
It is.
Wind cuts in here somehow.
Like a lot of the roofs are just falling in round pieces.
Yep.
Someone's got to be able to explain that for me.
It's really cool.
It is.
Where the fuck are they? Up there.
It gives you an idea how big it is in here.
I should climb my territory down here.
We got
We all pissed in here one time when it was
Another-
pissed flack.
Set zoom in about 4 times.
It's a little scary though, because you don't know where you're pissing. You don't know if you're pissing on
And
your
back.
or not.
Let me get back out of here. See if we all make it out.
We're never getting back out of here.
Oh, we're eating you for
Here's the
He's like, get out of this.
claw marks right up here.
I found this rock.
Hey, come and look at. There's a lot of sparklies in this rock right here.
Oh, it's just there. Yeah, cool rock.
I threw it.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Oh, right there. Alright, we're out of here. See if we live.
That's actually really cool.
Now when the week gets hard and long, I smell pine and I hear that song. One truck off, one truck rolls, one bad road and a few good souls.
Jesus Christ.
Quiet, I still hear four laps bouncing through the hills out there. Down in the woods, out there we roam, making old dirt feel like home. Down in the woods, bouncing through trails, wide awake. Every wrong turn was ours to take. Out in the woods, we weren't lost, we were free, just boys and a map and a memory. Yeah, we rolled through dust and pine.
someone had a little bit of issue here. I suppose we got a couple spare tires. Might be able to help them out.
I guess.
I think we got it. Good, yeah. Oh, a little more. A little more. That made it worse.
What if you start the bottom first?
Come on, there we go. Got it.
Why are you always breaking shit, Logan?
You know, if you just stand on the jack handle, it won't move.
I heard it as soon as we started going down the road. We got flat.
He only needs two.
That's what's back to dig in too. It won't go nowhere. I didn't know if you didn't dig it. I wasn't for sure.
Down one spare.
Two spares. Your dad has
Oh, yeah.
a tire too.
What tire was his?
This side.
What the fuck?
Oh, the back corner. Yeah, we missed his. He's too busy being by himself when he blew his.
I don't like that track no more.
I think we're winning so far.
The tire's still pissing.
No brakes.
Hey, get down from there.
We're the only ones that haven't been repaired out here or have a tire or anything.
I didn't realize he went up.
We don't got shit for brakes.
Oh, yeah, you had to fix your four-wheel drive.
245.
Hey, we're doing good.
Oh yeah, fucking Logan didn't lift.
I heard Jace lift, but
Yeah! Holy fuck! Holy fuck. Holy fucking shit!
Did we get in my distance?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Plenty of distance that time.
Thank you. Oh, tires come loose. Slammed into my rack.
How do you guys feel about that? Broken back window?
It's better broke back now, yeah.
That is fucking true.
I think I might have sent it just a little too hard.
Maybe?
You won't let me go full bore.
Alright, we're gonna have a timed hill climb challenge. And basically we're gonna have someone at the bottom to start, someone at the top with a timer.
Mm-hmm.
Simple as that.
Yep. Loser shaves their head. One person from their team.
Not
Has to
Marcus.
shave their head.
Yep. And that's Marcus.
We haven't been keeping a very good point system, so
Yeah, this is
this
just
can be just a challenge, little side quest.
yeah, side question.
Not Marcus.
Let's see how
That's
it goes.
Marcus. Austin's time of 16:24, well kept, documented. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Wyatt, 28-14, baby. 21-13 for John and Matthew. Damn, second place actually. 18-19.
Dang.
Oh fuck. 29-9.
All right, well, we made it through the weekend.
Surprisingly.
The
Nuts.
truck actually started running better over the weekend, I think. Our only issue is the brakes have gotten worse over the weekend, but overall, I'd call it a great success.
I think we'd suffer probably the least amount of bodily damage and overall damage compared to everybody else.
We were never stopped on the side.
We were never
had to
stopped
fix
on
our
the side.
straps a few times, but we
Minor
didn't have to fix a
inconveniences.
tire.
Yeah.
You didn't have to fix an engine. Or good. So we're gonna do the results of the hill climb. I think I'm halfway home for the end of the video here, but let's see how everybody else did.
Yeah.
This is Wyatt with Team Bravo. Our weekend went pretty good. We did run into a good bit of issues. We got a bad half shaft over there that we're going to see if it rides all the way home. Our bumper's a little more mangled than it came here out. A little bit of duct tape. We don't shift as smooth. We don't have the same suspension we started off with. And we don't have a heater, and it's pretty cold this morning. So we had to make that U for the heater core lines because they decided to snap off yesterday, Friday. But as far as we expected, I planned on beating it. I planned on stuff breaking, so I'd almost say 2 expectations.
We didn't really have much issues, only 4-wheel drive didn't work for a sec, but other than that, none. It went pretty well for the most part, nothing too bad. It jumps pretty good, I'll admit that. Hurt my dad's head. That's about it.
So here's how the weekend went. I went down a couple of rough trails, wound up popping a tire on one. We were able to plug it so we could get it back home. And otherwise, the pickup held up pretty good. The motor's still hanging in there. The only other issue we ran into was a brake. Doesn't sound too happy with me. And other than that, I got faith in it getting it back. We surely flipping tested it though.
I guess team old fucks, no fucks. It handled it pretty well. It's should make it home. I think the only thing we really have is a bent drive shaft from sending it just a little bit too hard.
Just a bit too much.
But I think we got it. We got it making it back. Yeah, I guess we do kind of don't really have much of a back window anymore. Well, we have a back window now. It's just severely tinted. Just wasn't ready for all the wind noise for the roof rack to make it home, so figured try to save ourselves a little sanity. Now we're ready to bounce our way home like a freaking ocean liner.
All right, so the results for the hill climb race was first place, Austin in his K-body. Second place was Jace in the red S10, the Nunfucks crew. And then third place was Wyatt in the Suburban. Fourth place was the Sonoma. And fifth place was Logan in his K-body. So that means that Logan gets his head shaved.
What?
How are you feeling about this?
This is bullshit.
You're already half bald up here, buddy.
It's helping a
I
little
don't want to
bit.
be downwind from it. Hold up. Here, hold this.
Oh yeah, buddy, you're gonna look good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that shiny ass
At least
scalp.
I'll start looking like John.
We're at the halfway point. You just want to leave the top?
That's what I was thinking. Look at that. Woo! I'm done.
I like it.
Yeah.
Finish it.
All right, let's see here.
How you feeling about this, Luffy?
You nervous? You worried for work?
It is what it is.
You can wear a hat at least.
Yeah, cover it all up.
Actually looks better than I thought.
Oh yeah, you're gonna look good, buddy.
Going to Tommy for all my future haircuts.
Yep. $20. This one's free.
You want to leave a good review?
First one's on the house.
Yeah, good reviews.
It'll be pretty even, mostly.
Feel cold?
A little bit.
Are you regretting going into this yet?
No.
No.
Should have been faster.
Should have been faster.
Challenge is a challenge.
Yeah.
Gotta keep your word.
That is true. It'd be horrible if someone else actually lost, huh?
Yeah.
I would be pissed too. Shaved my head. It wasn't even me. All right. Logan, look up. I'm gonna get the. Well, this one quit working, so we're gonna go. Oh, never mind. We're good. Get this. Yeah.
Cut right.
Yeah.
That Mark.
Honestly, Mark, you good at fades?
Oh no.
Me neither.
Barber Tom.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at this. I give Parker shaves all the time, my dog. It's kind of the same
So are
thing.
you calling me a dog?
Yeah, you're just my bitch right now.
Fuck.
All right, turn and look at me.
Oh, you got a tan line for my sunglasses.
We'll just go straight down to the scalp, I guess. Yeah, I think you're gonna look good, Logan. I think you can rock this, buddy.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it
Nice
is.
shiny bald spot right in the center.
Yeah. All right, everybody, how's he look? Did I miss anything?
I don't think so. Looks pretty good.
What? There it is. Look good? I think so.
It's cold.
Cold? Oh yeah. That does not look right. I know that much. Just well get the eyebrows while we're here, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck you. No eyebrow.
Anyway, the real results was Wyatt and Logan were swapped. Wyatt actually lost.
What?
We're 250 each. That's the last guy sitting hip to hip. There is no right side. Seat belts begging, man, just let go. Cup holders holding my left tail bucket. Two big dudes in a tiny S10. Mirrors dragging, praying on the wind. Shocks say why, tires say when. Rolling across the state in this brave little S10. This brave little S10. Got a cooler wedge where my feet belong. Map app yelling, every turn is wrong. Hit a pothole, heard the rear view cry. Airbags thinking, please don't even try. Two big dudes in a tiny S10. Tailgate humming, bumper